Hey folks, welcome to yet another video on 8181 How To. My name is Savio, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the yummiest milky tea. So the way I like my tea is the way I'm going to make it, minus the sugar. I do not like drinking my tea with sugar, so that's one ingredient that's going to be omitted from this video. Okay, what I'm going to use though is some Irish breakfast, and it's from a brand called Twinings if you want to call it, and these are tea bags. So that's what it looks like, and tea bags are individual tea bags. Okay, so that's the main ingredient in this video, and trust me, this tea is amazing. I love it because how milky and creamy it is. But first things first, let me just rip this up and release the tea bag from that sachet. And I'm just gonna put it into this beautiful stainless steel, I don't want to call it, well, stainless steel tumbler. Okay, so that's there, as you can see. Now, what I like doing is adding the boiling water. So as soon as the water is boiled, make sure that's the first thing you do. Okay, don't delay, because this tea bag here has to steep, and it can only steep if the water is boiling. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put it in and put some hot water into that. Okay, don't fill up the glass completely. Just put it under that. Because it's stainless steel, I can't touch it. It's going to be really, really hot. But if you want, you can use a mug. You know, that'll be a lot better with a handle. So look at me, just watch me. You know, as I call it, dip, dip, dip. I'm just doing a bit of a dip, dip, dip. Ideally, let this sit and let it steep for 3 minutes. That's the ideal time. Once 3 minutes is over, I'll tell you what to do next. So what I like doing during this 3 minutes, you know, you can have a conversation with a friend, you know, over tea, or eat some tea biscuits if you want to have, you know, sometimes I like having tea biscuits with my tea. Sometimes I like having my tea with Oreo cookies. It's your preference, your choice. So that's what I like doing. So I'm steeping it. And of course, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to fast forward it. Okay, so here it is. That's where my tea sits. Right now, as you can see, it's really, really hot, and that's what the temperature you want. Okay, and you can also see a tinge of it kind of looks like raspberry, but that's the color it should have. Okay, which means your tea bag has steeped well, and this is after a whole 3 minutes. So once that's done, the next magic ingredient is going to be, okay, so this is half milk and half cream. So I suggest, and if you want to make your tea taste better, use half and half. That's where the cream comes from, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, let's add what I like doing. I like adding a certain amount, and I'll show you the amount I like adding to it as well. Okay, so the amount I like adding to this tumbler size is, let me just put it here. Hope you can see it. Yep, I like it that way. It's kind of looking a little bit like coffee. Of course, in the video it's looking a little bit more milkier than it actually is, but that's because of the lighting. But it's got that perfect color. Yeah, I wonder if we can change the lighting or the angle how it's gonna be. Yeah, but it's not really reflecting in the video. Then what I like doing is I like topping it up with some more water. So that's where, when you top it up with some water, what happens is it mixes well with the cream and the milk. Okay, that's what it looks like. With the light turned off, Now you should be able to see the actual color. And that's what I like. It is perfect. Just the perfect color for tea. And it's delicious. But it's gonna be a while until I drink this tea because it's gonna be really hot, you know, having made it in a stainless steel tumbler. But that's what it is. So perfect. That's my perfect cup of tea, the way I like it. Alright then, so that's pretty much it as far as how to make a creamy, milky cup of tea with just 3 simple ingredients. One is of course the tea bag, second is the water, which is so important, the third is your half and half cream and milk. If you found this video useful and you did enjoy your cup of tea, please leave it in the comments below. Let me know if you enjoyed it, how it turned out. Until next time, this is Xavier signing out. You take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.